today. As you can see, we got snow. And now, it's raining like a dirty bugger. Anyway, I gotta go get these guys fed and watered. I don't dare take the camera out there, it's raining too bad. And I gotta get that done. And then I gotta get my garage cleaned up and get our outfits back in here from that remodel. And if it quits, it's supposed to quit this afternoon. We'll see if it does. I'm going to go out and take this section of fence down. So I got a guy with a loader. He's going to come in and I'm going to cut that tree down. It's out there in the garden, the one I showed you on one of my other videos. And I'm going to cut that down and make it so he can come in with his loader, pull the stump out. That way I can work that area of the garden. And everything works out right and I got time. If I have time today after getting that cleaned up, like I said, if it's cleared up, I'm going to do that tree. I'm going to do some plants and get some seed starts going. I'll get that on the video and explain that to you. And we'll gather eggs later on today. I'll make sure I get that in the video. And I might do some filming of me cleaning up out in the garage. Other than that, depends on what the weather is. Like I say, it changes day to day here. Could be hour to hour, depends on whether it's going to rain, snow, blow, who knows. So, I'll get back to you here in a little bit. Alright, I'm going to fall a tree. I got the camera set back out of the wind, so I'm hoping you'll be able to see this alright. See if I can get a little better. There, that's better. Alright, I'm going to fall a tree. It's windy out here, so I got the camera kind of ways from it. And I'll try to zoom in here a little better. We're going to tip over tree right there. So you can sit here and watch, and away we go. down. I just got to clean it up. And I'll have him come with the loader, pull the stump out. We'll be good. I hope you enjoyed that. Put it in the comments. I hope you can hear me. The wind's blowing. I got all blocked up. And some other trees there. And some trees over here. Got them all trimmed. At least accomplished something today. Take you over here to the chickens. I got them blocked off so they can't come over here. Alright, ladies, what do you want? Huh? What do you ducks want? Huh? What do you guys wanting? Huh? Huh? What do you guys want? Crazy wind, man. I did get coop ball cleaned up. New shavings put in. Got two in the box. One problem with new shavings is you can't find the duck eggs. I only found one this morning. The other ones are probably buried in there somewhere. I searched around but couldn't find them. So, yeah, here where you might be able to see me. We're going to call today's video good. Not too bad of a day considering it started out with snow and rain and everything like that. So, I hope you can hear me. And hope you enjoy my videos. If so, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, and you'll smile all week, guaranteed. Bye.